Kirit Somaiya of the BJP is with us on the phone line. Mr. Somaiya, you, I believe, went to the court also to see Arnab yesterday, but the vendetta-driven prosecution and cases against Arnab are not stopping. In fact, he was put in a very difficult Taloja jail yesterday. What are your thoughts, and what, according to you, should be done to make Maharashtra government see reason?
Just now I am in the Alibag Session Court, hearing argument going on. Thackeray Sarkar is strongly opposing closure of that particular case and also to release Arnab on bail. Secondly, regarding jail, as I yesterday also told, I had visited the jail, I met the jailer, I also had interaction with Home Secretary Maharashtra and Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. And yesterday evening I assured you, your channel also, that the jail authority had committed, given assurance that there will not be any harassment, appropriate treatment will be given to Arnab. And as per my information, the family can also, as per the guideline, can talk with Arnab or can meet Arnab.
Right. Sir,
Yes, please.
Sir, but also what I want to understand is that while we are absolutely clear that we have to submit to the process of law, the problem is with the abuse of law, abuse of the process of law, and to that extent, what more can be done or should be done to make sure that the Uddhav government is restrained in the manner in which it is harassing? For example, the manner in which Arnab was put in Taloja jail instead of the Alibag sub-jail or the Raigarh sub-jail, where he should have been ideally put.
These are the technical. Wherever he is kept, proper treatment should be given. Another thing, everybody knows, the whole India is witnessing the abuse of policy power, the draconian rule of Thackeray Sarkar. Everybody agrees. The manner in which for last 6 months they are targeting Arnab, because Arnab is trying to put before the people whatever misdoing. So these people like Arnab is facing, it is just due to the Thackeray Sarkar is afraid of Arnab.
Mr. Somaiya, but I have one more query. I mean, once it is clear from the CJM's order also, or endorsed by the CJM order also, that due process of law has been manipulated and that there is an element of illegality in the arrest, why not insist that Arnab should be released immediately?
Now, as I told you, I'm in Alibag court. The argument is going on. We will have to wait up to a couple of hours.